5 healthy snacks in 5 minutes. This is perfect for busy working moms or moms who are running the kids around all day long, out and about. Also fabulous for kids who are active themselves at school during the school day, after school sports practices, and even post-workout recovery. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia Jones. I love the Lord, I love my family, and I love to help women like you grow in confidence through a healthy lifestyle. So I'm excited to show you these 5 snacks today in 5 minutes. I'm going to throw some tips in there as we go, and let's get started. So snack number 1 is apple and string cheese. You'll notice everything I show you today is going to be quick, grab and go, simple and not messy. Okay. So the first thing is apple and string cheese. If you're going to eat a whole apple, I'd recommend 2 string cheeses. There's some science behind that in regards to the proteins and the carbohydrate balance, but just to keep things super simple, 1 apple to 2 string cheeses, or half an apple to 1 string cheese. You get the idea, okay? The other cool thing about apple and string cheese, you can grab it and throw it in a lunchbox, of course. Would recommend that you add an ice pack, but also easy to batch ahead of time. That's another tip for these kinds of snacks. They are easy to batch ahead. So for example, I threw some apple slices in with the string cheese here. These are just the little snack size bags. These are awesome. I throw these in the boys' lunches and they eat them after school on the way home. Keeps their energy even and their attitudes up. Okay, snack number 2 is banana and sun butter. This is awesome for people who have nut allergies. This is not a nut, it's a seed. And so you're gonna get a lot of your protein, your healthy fat from this, and you're gonna get a lot of your carbohydrates, plus vitamins, minerals, wonderful fiber. And these bananas are known for helping in post-recovery workout as well. And with the balancing out of the electrolytes in the body, the hormones, just kind of all the systems in the body. Plus, get this, your protein from this butter here, sun butter, is going to help recover the muscle cells faster, to rebuild them faster. Again, there's some science behind that. Ask me if you want to learn more about it. Actually, even better, you can download my app, Pocket Health Coach, and learn all about that. But there's some science right here. And then the fat, of course, is going to help you feel full, help keep your skin healthy, hair healthy, gut healthy, which really is all about reducing inflammation and increasing immunity. And that's really important, okay? So the immune system. So that's snack number 2, small portions. Now, snack number 3, speaking of small portions, is 1/4 cup of cashews and 1 tablespoon of craisins, okay? Or something like this, nuts in a dried fruit, basically. What's super cool about this, notice the small portion. All of these are small portions, boost your metabolism during the day. So you eat these kinds of things every couple hours and your body has time to burn it off, use it as energy, does not get stored as fat. This is also gonna help keep you full. And what's cool about this option right here, so easy to batch ahead. I pulled this out of the pantry to show you. Look at this, like a whole bag. We probably made 10 of these over the weekend. Oh, and guess who made these? Gabriel, my 9-year-old. Oh, he's almost 10. Okay, so this is the kind of thing that's so easy. Kids can help you do it, batch ahead, have it in the pantry. Awesome to grab and go. Don't even need an ice pack for this, right? You can just throw it in the sports bag, throw it in your purse, keep some in your car. You never know when things are gonna take longer and you're gonna need a snack, okay? Number 4 is Greek yogurt and veggies. You can see this is a couple veggies cut up in a bag. I can make about 5 of these over the weekend and throw them in the fridge. Can you just imagine how much time you would save if you made this in a few minutes over the weekend and you had healthy snacks in your fridge all week long? No more rushing, you know, no more pulling through the drive-thru or grabbing the vending machine, and it would be amazing for your immunity and your healthy weight to have this kind of stuff around in your fridge. So just some cool ideas for you. And I hope you like Greek yogurt. This is a great brand if you haven't already seen it. Super clean formulation. I love that. I wonder if you do too. Great protein, very, very little sugar. So that's number 4. Number 5 is banana bread and protein balls, but not just any kind. These both have vegetables inside them. So there's actually carrots and squash and zucchini, and I threw some extra protein in there. There's antioxidants, and these are awesome. They taste amazing. They're chocolate protein balls, okay? And then this is banana bread with a few chocolate chips. It's gotta taste good, right? This is great stuff to satisfy the sweet tooth. That's also amazing for keeping your body healthy, keeping your body balanced, balancing blood sugar, balancing hormones. Why do we care about that? Because it turns off the fat storage factory and reduces inflammation, which hopefully you know by now that inflammation is the root of all disease. So if we lower inflammation, we lower disease risk. So I'm about at my 5-minute mark. So what I wanted to do is just show you one other tip. For those kinds of things, the protein balls, you can actually make them ahead of time. Okay, so if you want these recipes, a whole snack list of stuff like this, other recipes that will help you take the guesswork out of what's for dinner, help you keep things organized, even tutorials of how to meal prep like this, where it's macro balanced, go ahead and you can download my app called the Pocket Health Coach and get started with it today. Thank you for being here. I hope this was helpful. Save this video for yourself, come back to it when you need some ideas, and I will see you next time. Bye.